Hello and welcome to this Outlook course. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick overview of what is Outlook and a few tips and techniques that will help you to improve your workflow when using emails. So first of all, Outlook is just a client software. So what I mean is that all the emails are on a server and Outlook is just acting as a software to retrieve the emails to your computer. The emails are living on a server, so you can access them from the web browser, or you can download them to your email client, which is the Outlook in this case. So I'm gonna give you an example. Over here, I have a few folders. So I have my inbox folder, the archive folder, and all these emails are living on a server. And because I have downloaded them from Outlook, they're now inside the software. But if I log in to my email from the browser, so I open my browser here and I go to office.com, and that is the main website to access all your Office Microsoft apps. So if I sign in, and that's going to take me to GoDaddy, as GoDaddy is the hosting provider that provides us with the hosting for the emails. Over here on this option is asking me if I want to stay signed in. If you click yes, it's going to keep you signed in until you close the web browser. So you can press yes. Depending on the tier of your account, you're going to see more or less apps. So if you don't see some of these apps like Teams or SharePoint, Yammer, that's because you're on a lower tier. But at the moment, we're only interested in finding Outlook. So we're gonna find on the top left here, we're gonna click on the dots, and underneath apps, we're gonna find Outlook. So over here, we have the web-based client that's also downloading the messages from the server into your web browser. And these emails should be a direct duplicate of whatever is found inside the web browser Outlook into your software-based Outlook. Sometimes on Outlook, you're gonna find that you might have syncing issues. So you're gonna see a message here at the bottom, give you an error saying that you can't sync or some emails were not downloaded. To fix that, most of the time, if you go to send and receive and click send and receive all folders, so that's gonna update all the folders that are inside your emails. So what that's gonna do is that's gonna try to fix any syncing problems with your email and the server. So that's a quick look on Outlook and how it's working behind the scenes. Next, we're going to look into how to change your Outlook password.